This is the DeWalt Dw088 crossline laser. Now we all know how important it is for you to get your work level and true, and sometimes if you're working by yourself this is even more difficult, hence why a laser comes into really efficient use. Now this is very easy to use. First off, let me talk about one of the plates you get with it. This is the back plate that actually comes with the laser. Now on one side here you have a fixing hole at the top, so you can screw this to something, whether it's a piece of board like so, with the magnetic face there. And if you flip it over the other way, it has a clip which is great for suspended ceilings. That can just clip onto that. We're actually using it here with its own magnet. It's powerful enough to grip onto this channeling. It's also powerful enough just to hold onto a corner bead, one of the finish beads when you've plastered. That's how good it is. To use the device, very straightforward. You have a battery life indicator there, and you have both the horizontal and vertical lights. You can use either of them at the time or both of them, so it's up to you. Now the great thing about this is if you've got it on and it's not quite straight, the light strobes inside. So once you get it close to straight, the gyroscope inside then takes over and you know that you're ready to rock. And obviously you can pivot this all the way around, so if you need to work around the room and transfer your marks, whether it's for kitchen units, tiling, using it up above the suspended ceiling, it is just so easy to use. The other upgrade on this model here is the fact that the laser beam has a pulse in it as well. So if you use it with the receiver unit, which is the Dw088K, you can actually hold this away, and this is good for up to 30 meters away. So for domestic, light commercial work, it's fantastic. And you have the indicator arrow on the front of this, telling you if you need to go up or down. There we go, up. Level. Fantastic. So again, if you're working the other side of the room and you want to make sure you get your dado rail, your picture rail, your units, your trunking, anything like that, this is the kiddie for it.